Skip beneath your pancake or you'll end up like this.
Okay,
No! God, please, no! No!
well, better luck next time.
We are really craving for pancakes, so we hop on the train to Shibuya's Micasadeco Cafe. We got here quite early and we were quite surprised we were the first in line. When we got in, we ordered some coffee first, and not long after, our pancakes finally arrived.
Thank you.
Whoa. Whoa.
These pancakes don't just look amazing, they're actually really delicious. We tried their bestseller fluffy pancake with ricotta cheese and the apple Mont Blanc pancake with caramel sauce. So if you're in Shibuya and you're in the mood for super fluffy pancakes, you have to try Micasadeco Cafe. Thanks for watching and make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.